Can you spot the difference between the colorful flags of the African continent? Let's test your flag finding skills with this fun visual guessing game. Which country's colorful flag is this? Is it A, Egypt, B, South Africa, or C, Kenya? It's B, South Africa. The green Y represents unity. Which country's flag features this golden eagle in the middle? Is it A, Egypt, B, Morocco, or C, South Africa? It's A, Egypt. That is the Eagle of Saladin. Which African country has a traditional Maasai shield on its flag? Is it A, Nigeria, B, Madagascar, or C, Kenya? It's C, Kenya. The shield symbolizes defense of freedom. Which country's flag is red with a green five-pointed star? Is it A, Morocco, B, Cameroon, or C, Egypt? It's A, Morocco. The star represents Islam's 5 pillars. Which country uses this simple green and white striped flag? Is it A, Madagascar, B, Nigeria, or C, Kenya? It's B, Nigeria. Green represents agriculture. White means peace. Which island nation's flag has 1 vertical white bar and 2 horizontal red and green bars? Is it A, Cameroon, B, Madagascar, or C, Nigeria? It's B, Madagascar. Colors represent sovereignty, purity, and hope. Which country's flag has a yellow star on a central red stripe, flanked by green and yellow? Is it A, South Africa, B, Egypt, or C, Cameroon? It's C, Cameroon. It uses the classic Pan-African colors. Which country's flag features a yellow pentagram on a blue disc? Is it A, Ghana, B, Ethiopia, or C, Angola? It's B, Ethiopia. The blue disc symbolizes peace. Which country features a machete and a gear segment on its flag? Is it A, Angola, B, Tunisia, or C, Zimbabwe? It's A, Angola. Symbols represent industry and agricultural workers. Which country's flag has a famous soapstone bird emblem on a red star? Is it A, Senegal, B, Seychelles, or C, Zimbabwe? It's C, Zimbabwe. The bird represents ancient history. Which island country features 5 colorful bands radiating from the bottom left corner? Is it A, Seychelles, B, Ghana, or C, Tunisia? It's A, Seychelles. The bands show a dynamic country. Which country was the first in Africa to adopt a red, gold, and green flag with a black star? Is it A, Senegal, B, Ghana, or C, Angola? It's B, Ghana. The black star symbolizes freedom. Which North African nation has a red crescent and star inside a white circle on its flag? Is it A, Tunisia, B, Ethiopia, or C, Seychelles? It's A, Tunisia. It is influenced by Ottoman history. Which green, yellow, and red flag features a single green star in the middle? Is it A, Senegal, B, Zimbabwe, or C, Ghana? It's A, Senegal. The star represents hope and religion. Which country's unique flag displays a modern assault rifle alongside a hoe and a book? Is it A, Mozambique, B, Uganda, or C, Eritrea? It's A, Mozambique. The rifle symbolizes defense and vigilance. Which country features a gray-crowned crane inside a white circle on its flag? Is it A, Eswatini, B, Cabo Verde, or C, Uganda? It's C, Uganda. The crane is their national bird. Which kingdom's flag features a black and white shield with two spears? Is it A, Eswatini, B, Lesotho, or C, Mozambique? It's A, Eswatini. The shield symbolizes national protection. Which island nation has a circle of 10 yellow stars on a deep blue ocean background? Is it A, DR Congo, B, Cabo Verde, or C, Uganda? It's B, Cabo Verde. Stars represent the main islands. Which country has a sky blue flag with a yellow star and a red diagonal stripe? Is it A, DR Congo, B, Eritrea, or C, Eswatini? It's A, DR Congo. Blue represents peace. Which nation's flag has a red triangle containing a golden olive branch wreath? Is it A, Lesotho, B, Eritrea, or C, Mozambique? It's B, Eritrea. The wreath represents peace and autonomy. Which country features a blue traditional Basotho hat in the center of its flag? Is it A, Lesotho, B, Cabo Verde, or C, DR Congo? It's A, Lesotho. The hat is a major cultural symbol. Which country has its main emblem and stripes placed uniquely on the far right fly side of the flag? Is it A, Zambia, B, Burundi, or C, Mauritania? It's A, Zambia. The emblem is on the floating edge. Which country added 2 red stripes to its green and gold flag after a vote in 2017? Is it A, Malawi, B, Mauritania, or C, Djibouti? It's B, Harvardania. Red stripes honor independence fighters. Which nation's flag features a white diagonal cross with 3 red-bordered stars in a central circle? Is it A, Central African Republic, B, Comoros, or C, Burundi? It's C, Burundi. Stars represent 3 ethnic groups. Which country's flag features a rising red sun with 31 rays on a black stripe? Is it A, Malawi, B, Zambia, or C, Djibouti? It's A, Malawi. The sun represents freedom's dawn. Which country's flag has 4 horizontal stripes intersected right down the middle by a single vertical red stripe? Is it A, Comoros, B, Central African Republic, or C, Mauritania? It's B, Central African Republic. Red represents human blood. Which island nation's flag features 4 horizontal stripes of yellow, white, red, and blue with a green triangle? Is it A, Comoros, B, Burundi, or C, Malawi? It's A, Comoros. Stripes represent 4 main islands. Which flag features light blue and green horizontal stripes with a white triangle and a red star on the left? Is it A, Djibouti, B, Central African Republic, or C, Zambia? It's A, Djibouti. The red star symbolizes unity. How many did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.